Okay, we just got the Yoges 600, and we're gonna unwrap this baby, see where it goes. Yeah, that's the only one. Whoa, doggy. Box feels really light. So we got this. Let's see. We have the manual. All right, this is the manual, and it's really not anything a guy needs, but it's nice to have. We have this thing, which looks pretty simple. You got three on there, kind of goes here, and here. It snaps in. Well, maybe it needs a little bit more pressure to snap in. Yeah, looks like it needs a little bit more pressure to snap in. Now it's pretty firm. We got our top head strap and our side head strap. So we're gonna take the box, move the box out of here, and we're gonna grab our Oculus, and we're gonna peel back from our regular strap and undo here. And then it'd probably be easier if we take this off. So we're gonna undo that. And then just basically in the reverse, we're gonna set this up, make sure that this is probably the one thing that I would forget normally, is this probably goes down at the bottom, obviously because this strap is at the top, but it makes it nice. I wonder what this Velcro is for. Oh, well, you need a whole strip of Velcro just for that? I do not know, but we're gonna stick this in here like that. Maybe. Come on. Kind of slide it back and forth a little bit. Give it a little edge there. And we'll hook that in. And we're gonna snap those on. And snap. Snap that on. Put our face mask back on. Everything's snapping today, and we are ready to go. Looks like your charging port is here, so you just plug one of them in into here. Do not know if it is charged right now. No lights are on. This activates, yep, it looks like it's third charge, so we could just very easily put this in here and put this in here, and should be charging now. All right, we're ready to play.